वदतु।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ओम्।
धन्यवादः राजश्री महोदय। ओके, गतसप्ताहे वयं समासस्य पुस्तकं अभ्यास 6 अकुर्मः। इदानीम् अभ्यास 7, पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 75।
पञ्चसप्तति वा
75, 75 पेज् नम्बर्।
पञ्चसप्तति।
रोहिणी महोदय, भवती समासपुस्तकम् अस्ति वा भवती समीपे?
आम् आं PDF मध्ये।
आम्। सो पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 75,
आम्
अभ्यास 7। अधः विग्रहवाक्यानि दत्तानि सन्ति। ऐकैकस्य विग्रहवाक्यस्य पुरतः 3 रूपाणि दत्तानि सन्ति। तेषु एकम् एव शुद्धं। तत् चित्वा रिक्तस्थाने लिखतु। वयम् अपि समासनाम् अपि वक्तव्यम्। आम्।
आम्
अन्या माला।
एतद् वयं न पठितवन्तः न?
अहमपि right, so anya mala I think we are not done.
भानुमहोदयया न पाठितवान्। भानुमहोदयया न अपाठयत्।
पाठितवान्। Okay, I think निष्क्रान्तः वाराणस्य अपि वयं न पठितवन्तः, right?
निष्क्रान्तः वाराणस्याः। निष्क्रान्तः इत्युक्ते किम्?
अहमपि न जानामि।
निष्क्रान्तः अत्र पुस्तके
निर्वाराणसीः।
निर्वाराणसी।
आम्, निर्वाराणसी। अहमपि न जानामि। ओके, तृतीयं स्वीकृतं। त्रयः वा चत्वारः वा द्वन्द्वसमासः। No, 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 not
No.
द्वन्द्वसमासः. It's
I think it's a sankhya something.
संख्या उभयपदः,
Okay.
बहुव्रीहि। संख्या उभयपदः। So I think त्रिचतुराः। त्रिचतुराः।
किमर्थम्? चतुरः अपि अस्ति न?
त्रिचतुरः एव इति अहं चिन्तयामि.
चत्वारः चतुरः त्रिचतुरः चत्वारि नपुंसकं न?
त्रिचतुरः I think प्रथमा means एकवचनं.
No, त्रिचतुरा that is संख्या नाम एव किल.
त्रिचतुरः. Okay. So
वयम् उत्तरं दृष्ट्वा वदामः. तदेव
okay, उत्तरं त्रिचतुराः दीयते.
चतुराः वा?
आम्, चतुराः दीयते, त्रिचतुराः.
Okay. I think it must be 3 or 4. That must be the
3
meaning.
or 4. I think because it is bahuvachanam.
Yes.
परन्तु चतुरः इत्येव बहुवचनं किल. चतुरः एकः एका एकं द्वे द्वि त्रीणि तिस्रः त्रयः चतुरः
चत्वारः
चत्वारः
चतस्र स्त्रीलिङ्गे चतस्र and चत्वारि नपुंसकलिङ्गे.
चत्वारः itself बहुवचन रूपं. From 4 to 19 is all bahuvachanam.
3 to 19.
3 to 19. So that also should be chatvarah. It should be chatvarah. Why is it chatvarah?
Mahodaya, because I think because it ends trayagava, chaturagava, so the object will be either 3 or 4, no? Prayaga, that's why trichaturaha.
Okay, चतुर्थं मुष्टिभिः वयं न पठितवन्तः. So पञ्चम प्रशान्त महोदय करोतु.
Sorry, which one?
Panchama. Exercise 6. No, 7 exercise. क्रमांक 5. अभ्यास 7.
पुट संख्या 5.
मतिम अनतिक्रमय मध्ये कपिलः नो
मतिम अनतिक्रम्य पंच
सॉरी मतिम अनतिक्रमय
क्रम्य एकं पदं चिनोतु.
यथा मतिम नो
कः समासः?
अतः
कः समासः?
अनतिक्रम्य. That I don't remember.
किमर्थं यथा
न्याय नो अनतिक्रमय यथामतिम् अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति. अनतिक्रम्य अव्ययी भाव.
आम् आम् समासः नाम सम्यक् and in अव्ययी भावे अनतिक्रमार्थे
अनतिक्रम्य
यथा मतिम् And
Magadya, the answer is Yatamati or Yatamatim?
Yathamatim. No,
Yatham.
no,
No,
Yathamati, right?
Mati.
Mati,
Mati.
because
Remains
we
as
don't have
Hrasva.
any gender. It is
Yeah, Avyayi Bhava.
It is an
So,
Avyaya, no? So Yatamati.
Avyaya. So Yathamati is Avyaya,
Yes.
not Matim. Right.
So it will not be Matim.
Matim.
Only Akara and Akara ending Shabda will end in Am.
Oh, okay.
If it is, I can't remember the example. Adi Hari, Harim, what is that? That Saptami Vibhakti Artham. Adi Hari remains Adi Hari. That what is
Adi
the Vigraham for Adi Hari?
Haroho iti.
Haraviti.
No.
Haroviti.
It remains Adi Hari only.
Okay.
Hrasvam remains Hrasvam, Rohini Madhya. Akara ending Akara and something else changes into Na?
Right. Samyak.
The example, first one, the first example he gave was Akara.
Krishnasya samipam. Upakrishna.
Krishna
Upakrishnam. No.
Krishna is
Upakrishna.
Akaram, na? So it becomes
Akaram.
Krishna.
Yeah. So Upakrishna only. Not a
Upakrishnam.
Krishna. Right. Okay. Rohini Mohoday. No, Rajashri Mohoday, right?
Madhye Kapilayaha. Madhye Kapilam.
Madhye Kapilam.
Because this is also Yaha means Madhye Samudram, like that, no? Madhye Samudram.
Madhye
Samudrasya Madhye. So it will be Madhye Samudram, it will be Madhye Kapilam.
Kaha samasah?
Oye Avyayi Bhava.
Rohini Mohoday.
Pitruvyav. No.
Pita cha pitruvyah
No,
cha.
yeah. Pita cha Pitruvyah cha. Pitruvyav.
Pitruvyo. Right.
No, I think it is Pita Pitruvyo. When you say Mata Pitaro, Mata cha Pita cha, it doesn't become Matru Pitaro. It becomes Mata Pitaro. So that first one, it remains Pita.
Pita.
Pratipadikam.
Kintu vayam pratipadikam svikurma chet. No?
No, Mahodaya, it is an exception. I'll tell you the page number. See the
Okay.
in
page number?
I'll tell you. Bhanu Mahodaya gave example Mata cha Pita cha. Okay. In our but none of us at that time we didn't think about this. Nobody asked this question. Mata cha Pita cha. Answer is Mata Pitaro. It didn't become Matru Pitaro.
Yes.
Mata remained Mata. And that is given in this book. I'll tell you the page. They have given somewhere, I'll tell you. See, page 19.
19.
Page 19.
Mata cha pita cha.
See, they have given, in that Niyamaha they have given. Ridantanam dvandve anang bhavati. That Rikaram becomes akara. First one. See, so Mata cha Pita cha becomes Mata Pitru. It doesn't become Matru Pitru.
Pita pitruvyoho.
So Pita Pitruvyo.
Pita Pitruvyo.
Pita Pitruvyo, I think. We shouldn't put the Pratipadikam form only for this samasa.
This Mata Pita.
समासः कः?
Dvanda samasa.
Yes.
उत्तरे पितृव्योः इति दीयते.
Oh, oh my God. But see in this 19th page number. Pita cha putrascha, he is given Pita Putro.
आम्.
Huh? It should be Pita only, na? As per their rule he is given.
आम्, but
I think answer sometimes he is giving wrong.
Yes, we find some different answers also.
Even before once we found one mistake, no? Some days back.
Yes.
See, because in the rule clearly he's saying Pitacha Putrascha Pita Putro. He himself has given page 19, no?
Yeah,
This
page
has to
19
be
they
Pita
give.
Pitruvyo. It cannot be Pitruvyo. Unless there is some again the exception.
Okay.
Na?
Pitru is Mata Pitara, right? What is the meaning of Pitrivyav?
I think
Mata Pitara?
Mata Pita. Pitruvyaha, no?
So, Pita Pitruvyav means already Pita. That's what I'm getting confused.
Oh, that's why it is becoming like that, is it?
See, पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 52. तत्र दीयते त्रयः वा चत्वारः वा उत्तरः त्रिचतुराः.
Oh.
That's what we tried. We said no.
What is the page number?
52.
Okay, 1 minute. I will just check.
So you have to.
Pitruvyaha means father's brother.
Pitruvyaha means? Is it?
Father's brother. In compounds, it says father's brother, son, or cousin. Any elderly male relation, Pitruvyaha.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is
Whoever
not
has obtained
Your father's son.
father, somebody. Okay, 1 minute. 52, no? Sorry, I just saw the meaning. So, Trayavah, Chatvarah, Vichaturah, Panchashaha. Oh, it is becoming Dirga. Okay.
Because it is Bakuvachanam, I think that is.
No, that is why I got confused, Rohini Madhe, because Chatura itself is Bahuvachana Rupam, no?
Chatura.
Chatura itself from 3 till 19, everything is Bahuvachanam. But I think the form in compounds is Chaturaha. Everywhere they give like that in compound.
Okay.
Anyway,
so vayam pruchamaha.
That
Pita Pitruvyoho va Pitruvyoho. Okay, bhavati.
I think it is Pita Pitruvyo. He has made a mistake.
Mama krama, right? Mahat gnanam yasya saha महाज्ञानः षष्ट्यर्थ समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहि समासः.
Bhagavadya, Mahajnanah, what's the answer?
Mahajnanah.
Jnanah, yes.
Third one.
Yes.
Now Prashant Mohoday.
दीर्घः केशः यस्य सः दीर्घकेशः समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहि षष्ट्यर्थः.
दीर्घकेशः सम्यक्.
Bhagavadya, महाज्ञानम् अपि शक्यते वा?
नो अत्र सः दीयते सो पुल्लिङ्गम् अस्ति
आम् आम् यस्य तत्
यस्य सः
yes
यस्य तद् दीयते देन् महाज्ञानम्
Mahatmya, yes, I got it.
अभवत् राजश्री महोदय
पूर्वं रात्रेः पूर्व this is ekadashi पूर्वरात्रः it becomes pullingavat ratri shabdam in tatpurusha will become pullinga
पुल्लिङ्गम् and द्विगुः समासे right
in dvigu it becomes
नपुंसकलिङ्गम् आम् सो प्रथमा तत्पुरुष समासः ओके रोहिणी महोदय भवती अभ्यासम् 8 करोतु
युगलाते वाक्ये तपि एकं
अधः कानिचन पठतु
अधः कानिचन वाक्ययुगलानि सन्ति युगलस्ते वाक्यद्वये अपि एकं समस्तपदम् उपयुक्तं तादृशं समस्तपदानाम् अर्थं सम्यक् अवगत्य विग्रहवाक्यं लिखन्तु
वदतु उदाहरणमपि पठतु
सम्यक्सीनां सदा श्वेताम्बरं धरति सन्यासिनी सदा श्वेताम्बरं धरति श्वेताम्बरा बालिका अप्सराः इव शोभते ओके अकर्य ओके
श्वेतम् अम्बरं यस्याः सा तत्र बहुव्रीहि समासः अस्ति and प्रथमवाक्ये तु विशेषणं पूर्वपदं समासः इदानीं करोतु
अकार्यं किमर्थं करोति भवान्
हा
बालिका अप्सराः इव शोभते
श्वेतांबरा बालिका अप्सरा इव शोभते प्रश्नः कः
which one is it apsara iva like apsara
the bold letter given so we have to do the vigraha vakya for the bold letter
अकार्यं किमर्थं करोति भवान् अकार्यं न कार्यम् अकार्यं
कः समासः
that is नैव अकार्यः अलसः तूष्णीं तिष्ठति
so akaryah alasah तृष्णीं तिष्ठति प्रथमं अकार्यम् अर्थं भवती जानाति राइट
आम् आम् आम्
अत्र वाक्ये अकार्यं कः अस्ति अलसस्य
न कार्यः अकार्य ओके न कार्यः
प्रथम कीदृशसमासः दस् कीदृशे समासः?
Nakaryaha, that is Bahubri.
बहुव्रीहि, right? So कथं करणीयं विग्रहवाक्ये?
Nakaryaha, Nakaryaha, Yasya Saha, Alasaha.
किन्तु बहुव्रीहि समासे किमपि शैली अस्ति, भवती स्मृतवती वा? न विद्यमानं
Okay. न विद्यमानं कार्यः
कार्यम् is a नपुंसकलिङ्गं.
न कार्यं न विद्यमानं कार्यं यस्य सः
आम्
अलसः.
आम्. So
No,
कीदृशः बहुव्रीहि?
vidyate, no? Vidyate. Na
Okay,
vidyate.
विद्यते.
विद्यते न कार्यं विद्यते
न विद्यते कार्यः
न
यस्य सः.
न विद्यते कार्यं यस्य सः. That is
कार्यं
nice.
नपुंसकं वा?
आम्.
I thought अलसः पुल्लिङ्गं, so
अलसः पुल्लिङ्गम्, अकार्यः अपि पुल्लिङ्गम् अत्र कार्यः, किन्तु बिकास् इट्स् अ विशेष्य भाव तदर्थं, किन्तु कार्य स्वयमेव नपुंसकलिङ्गं कार्यम्.
Oh, it's in all three, Mahodaya.
Then all three maybe. So कीदृशः समासः?
नै बहुव्रीहि.
आम्. मम अवसरः, right? दीर्घहस्तः.
Ruku Mahodaya has come.
Oh, is there? Okay, Ruku Mahodaya, karatu.
Page 77, Samasa book. You're on mute, Mahodaya.
नमस्ते रुक्मिणी महोदय.
नमस्ते 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 सर्वेभ्यः. कुत्र
समास बुक पेज 77 अभ्यास 8
अभ्यास
तृतीयं दीर्घहस्तः.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, दीर्घहस्तः. Oh, यातः आरण्यं गतवान्. Oh, दीर्घहस्तः. दीर्घं हस्तं यस्य सः. साधु वा? दीर्घं हस्तं यस्य सः. This विशेषण पूर्व.
No. भवती वदति दीर्घ हस्तः यस्य सः, right?
Yeah, so there's a bahuvrihi, right? I know. When I said no, actually you could say dirgha hastah, which will be karmadharaya, and then dirgha hastah yasya saha, that will be shashti. No. God, I am so confused.
प्रथम वाक्ये किं समासः अस्ति? रुकुमहोदय, प्रथम वाक्ये
Samasah. No, that's what I'm saying. Dirgha hastah. So you could say dirgha hastah yasya saha. So shashtyartha bahuvriti.
And द्वितीयवाक्ये?
Is it right?
Right, correct.
द्वितीयवाक्ये दीर्घं व्याधः दीर्घहस्तं प्रसार्य. So the द्वितीयवाक्ये दीर्घः हस्तः and then tam, that will be a visheshana purvapada karmadharaya.
Samyak.
Oh, sadhu va? Oh my God.
Sadhu. अवसरः आकर्णाटक सीमं कन्नड भाषा अस्ति. So किमर्थम्? I think वयं न पठितवन्तः.
The second one, Vyadhastam Prasarya Shukam Grahitvan. Dirghaste, no? Tritiyan.
दीर्घः हस्तः. So it's a विशेषण पूर्वपदम्. कीदृशः हस्तं? दीर्घः हस्तं. And द्वितीया विभक्ति. That's why tam.
हस्तम् इति
हस्तः पुल्लिङ्गपद.
Okay.
दीर्घः हस्तः तं. So I think vayam na janimah कर्णाटक सीमं.
No, we do know Mahodaya. The Akarna is like Himalayam, he did tell us. I'm trying to figure out. It is like one of the Avyayi Bhava Samasaya Asti. Himalayam, I remember hearing him somewhere. Himalaya.
Banu Mahodaya Kakshayam na Kritavanta.
We didn't do that?
Right.
We thought.
No, we
I
did
think we did that. No, we did
Samiparte Yogyate.
Magadhi, we did some. I think we came. We learned that. Because, we are saying it might be that Vyaptartha something, right?
Which artha?
Vyaptartha. Himalaya.
Vyapti arthama. Na. Banu Mahodaya didn't do.
I remember
it's Maryadhartha or something like that. Something else. Okay.
भवती जानाति वा? करोतु. कर्णाटक सीमं कन्नड भाषा अस्ति.
See, on page 58 in the Samaza Pustake, see, Himalayat, Himalayam. That is the Vigraha Vakyam. It is a Maryadharthe. What is this? Avyaya Purvapada. Maryadharthe. Page 58.
So Maryadharthe vayam patitavantah va?
No, Maryadharthe we didn't.
Mama pustake only 6 are there. Samiparthe, Paschyadarthe, Vibhaktyarthe, Arthabhavarthe, Padartha means Anatikramarthe and Vipusarthe. Who is speaking? Your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Ruku Mahodaya voice breaking fully.
Okay, we'll leave that, Magadya.
Okay. So, Panchayamam Karomi. Vidyadhanam Sarvadhana Pradhanam Asti. So, Vidya Dhanam Sarvadhan Pradhanam Asti. So, विद्या एव धनम. So अवधारणा पूर्व पद और न संभावना.
No,
Yeah.
avadharana is.
अवधारणा पूर्व पद. And the second one is Vidya Dhanah Panditah Sarvatra Pujati. Vidya Dhanam Yasya Saha. So Sashthyartha Samanadhikaran Bahurihi. It's a Visheshan Vishesha Bhav, right? Vidya Dhanah Panditah. So अत्र बहुव्रीहि and विद्याधनं सर्वप्रधानं. तत्र संभावना पूर्व पद और अवधारणा.
Vidyadhanam, that is avadharana is.
सम्यक् वा राजश्री महोदय.
आम् आम् अवधारणा पूर्वकम्.
अवधारणा पूर्वपदम्. प्रशांत महोदय.
लोकनाथः राजा धर्मेण राज्यं पालयति.
Udaraj.
तस्य
वदतु प्रशांत महोदय.
लोकस्य नाथ यस्य सः.
प्रथमं वाक्ये किं वदतु.
षष्ठी.
षष्ठी का षष्ठी. हाँ,
षष्ठी समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहि.
लोकनाथः राजा धर्मेण राज्यं पालयति. And द्वितीय वाक्य.
It's a tricky one.
Yeah, it's a tricky one. द्वयोः.
But we read it in the
Think the first one. Think the first one. Rethink
Huh?
the first one.
Siksha book or something.
Shiksha
Sanjaya
book,
book or something.
Huh?
Rethink, Mahodaya, you think of the meaning and rethink that.
Oh.
What you
Asti. Siksha Parijaya book. Parijaya book.
लोकनाथः राजा धर्मेण राज्यं पालयति. Okay, प्रशांत महोदय. उत्तरं वदतु.
He's on mute.
कर्मधारय.
He's on mute.
I think
I don't know whether
sometime
he
I'm
could
losing
hear
the
us.
connection.
Okay, वदतु. लोकनाथः राजा धर्मेण राज्यं पालयति. तत्र कः समासः.
लोकनाथ तत्पुरुष.
ओके, विग्रहवाक्यं किम् अस्ति.
तस्य नाथ.
आम्, लोकस्य नाथः कीदृश तत्पुरुष.
षष्ठी.
आम्, द्वितीयवाक्ये लोकनाथः भिक्षुकः भिक्षायाचनं करोति.
लोकस्य नाथ यस्य इसको नादुंगा
द्वितीयवाक्ये प्रयत्नं करोतु।
लोकस्य नाथ यस्य the 50 would be like something like
ओके, बहुव्रीहि। तो विग्रहवाक्यं किम्?
लोकः नाथः यस्मै no yes yes no तस्मै सः यस्मै सः तस्मै
यस्य यत् शब्दस्य कः रूपः भवति?
बहुव्रीहि this one not very clear
यस्य सः, सो इट्स षष्ट्यर्थ समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहि। से अत्र चिन्तनीयं, लोक नाथः मीन्स लोक एव नाथ फॉर हिम, फॉर भिक्षुकः।
yes
That's why it's a
yes
little tricky one. Yeah, so
yes
चिन्तनीयम्। Okay.
Rasimala.
हाँ, so कः अवसर राजश्री महोदय?
हाँ, शीतलच्छाया कस्य सन्तोषाय न भवति। शीतलच्छाया, शीतला छाया विशेषणपूर्वपद कर्मधारय
आम्,
शीतला छाया। then शीतलच्छायां वृक्षं सर्वे आश्रयन्ति। तो बहुव्रीहि शीतला छाया यस्य सः तं।
तम्, आम्। सो सर्वेभ्यः अवगतं वा? तत्र सन्धिः छत्वसन्धिः अस्ति।
कुत्र?
शीतलच्छाया, शीतल च छाया, सी शीतलच्छाया
किमर्थं सन्धि अस्ति तत्र?
च अस्ति। अहं न जानामि, पर तत्र सन्धिः अस्ति।
चकार
चकार आगच्छति, राइट?
why? Chatva sandhi will be only this is why did cha come there? I don't know.
अहमपि न जानाति।
And somebody explain if Rohini
Yeah.
or
Let me.
why chakara coming sandhi? I can't understand why.
Yeah, there is a sandhi.
Shitala akaraga followed by chakara. I think there that is the niyama. I'm
What
not
for
yet.
which sandhi is that? For which sandhi?
Chartvam.
Yeah, Sitala akara is followed by chakara. That's why it's
Chartvam.
Chatvam sandhi. Let me look if I can look.
Chatvam.
Chatvam, what is the? I can't remember.
Yeah, even I don't remember very.
I have. I'll just pull it up 1 minute. Oh, connection is not good. I don't know. Let's find the document.
Let me tell you. Chatva Sandhi. It says that Kakha Ga Gha Tatha Dadhana Cha Cha Ja Ja Paravarna Khar Asti Chit. Khar इत्युक्ते चत्व सन्धि भवति तत्र.
What is
So
the
That is
and Adesha Ka Cha Ta Ta Pa.
no.
Sir,
That is
Madhya Sandhi there.
Visarga Sandhi kila.
Huh?
That
न
Visarga.
विसर्गसन्धि नास्ति. विसर्गसन्धि नास्ति तत्र.
No. What you are saying is that is Visarga Sandhi or Chatva?
Chatva Sandhi.
Okay.
Tell once again, Mahodaya, I didn't understand.
Okay. Let me tell you.
I have the document, I can't find it.
खर वर्ण अस्ति चेत् झल वर्ण पूर्ववर्ण and
Shalla.
Jal and
Jal.
yeah, so Purvavarna Kakha Ga Gha Cha Cha Ja Za Ta Tha Da Dha Ta Tha Da Dha Pa Fa Ba Bha and Paravarna Khar Asti Chet
Oh,
Chatva Sandhi Bhavati.
okay.
But Purva Varna here is a Swara, na?
Swara,
Yeah. What is it? Shitala Chaya. How did that become? That's what I'm wondering. It is a Swara plus a Vyanjana.
So I think Dvayo Sandhi Asti Tatra.
Shitala Chaya. Vyanjana Sandhi is between two Vyanjanas, no? Here it is Swara plus Vyanjana. Especially in the Purva.
No, I
I think let us go on. I don't know.
it may be Shitala Chaya, and then that Visargam will then
It must be Chayaha, which became Chaya, is it? I don't know.
Yeah, Shitala Chaya, and the Visargam, Visargasya Sakarah Adeshaha, and then Shitalas Chaya, and then there is Chatvama, something else afterwards.
Sa can turn into Cha. When
I think there are at least two sandhis there. There is a Visargam. So it will be Shitalaha Chaya. No, it will be. Yeah.
Shitalaga Chaya.
Yeah. And then so Shitalaha Chayaha.
That will be Shitala Chaya.
Yasyaha Sa. It should be Shitala. Yeah, that becomes Chaya.
No, it will be Shitalaha Chaya. That
It
becomes
will be Shitalaha Chayaha Yasyaha Chayaha. Shitalaha Chayaha Yasyaha Sa.
No, Chaya is a Strilinga Padam.
Let's use pulling.
Chaya is a Sri.
Okay.
Shitala Chaya.
No. Here,
वयं सन्धिविषये तदनन्तरं चिन्तयामि. वयम् अग्रे सरामः.
But answer is Shitala Chaya, correct?
Right. Answer is correct. Shitala Chaya Yasya Saha. So Vrukshah, right? And Tam, right. And see Shitala Chaya. So Visheshana Purvapadam.
Oh, but in the Uttaram Tatra, they have given only Shitala Chaya Yasya Saha Tam Iti Na Diyate. Tam is
तं
not.
न दीयते, तं न दीयते. ओ किमर्थं? वृक्षं सर्वे
Tim is for,
आश्रय.
Tam is for the
Yeah,
next
so
one.
it's a mistake, I think. Because sarve ashrayanti, so sarve is the prathama vibhakti. So vruksham is dvitiya
Vruksham
vibhakti.
is Dvitiya.
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Hmm.
So it's a tam na diyate, kintu maybe it's their mistake.
Mistake.
So abhyasah now. Kasya kramah?
मम अत्र किल
Rohini Mahoday, vadatu.
अधोनिष्ठेषु
10 minutes left.
शब्देषु कश्चन समाससम्बन्धः व्याकरणविशेषः शब्दानां विग्रहवाक्यं लिखित्वा व्याकरणविशेषमपि निर्दिशन्तु.
So अत्र अधोनिर्दिष्टेषु शब्देषु कश्चन समाससम्बन्धः व्याकरणविशेषः अस्ति. शब्दानां विग्रहवाक्यं लिखित्वा व्याकरणविशेषम् अपि निर्दिशन्तु. So भवती प्रथमं उदाहरणं पठतु.
उदाह पञ्चरात्रं
आम्.
पञ्चानां रात्रीनां समाकारक द्विगुः. रात्रि शब्दः अकारान्तक जातः नपुंसकलिङ्गः च.
तो सामान्यतः रात्रि शब्द स्त्रीलिंगे अस्ति, किन्तु अत्र अकारान्त पदं भवति and नपुंसकलिङ्गं भवति. प्रथमं करोतु.
महायोजना.
विग्रहवाक्यं किम्?
महती योजना.
योजना किमर्थं?
महती.
किमर्थं महती?
महत् शब्दस्य.
आम्, किन्तु किमर्थं महत् न महती?
लकार लोपः. लकार
महती किम्? किमर्थं महती? किमर्थं न महत् और any other शब्द? महती किम्? कारणं कः?
So that is महान् शब्दस्य नकार लोपः and then send it.
महान् is a pullinga padam.
महान्ति.
No, भवती सम्यक् उक्तवती. महती योजना अहं चिन्तयामि किमर्थं महती? कारणं कः?
Because that is स्त्रीलिङ्ग पदं.
स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं. किमर्थं भवती स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं योजयति?
योजना.
So योजना is a स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं. तदर्थं महती योजनीयम्. वदतु. समासः नाम कः?
समासः विशेषणपूर्वपदम्.
आम्. and व्याकरणविशेषः कः?
That is all, right?
विशेष व्याकरण विशेष कः?
व्याकरण विशेष it's that is the महान् शब्दस्य
महत् शब्द अस्ति प्रातिपदिकं, न तु महान्.
Mahat.
So takaran se lopa jata and maha.
Maha.
Akarah agachati.
Ato.
Akarah. So yadi it's pullinge asti ya strilinge asti अथवा नपुंसकलिंगे अस्ति महा इति योजनीयम्। रुकु महोदय। आत्वम् आगच्छति।
That was what I said.
I think, I don't know, my microphone is not.
Okay, रुकु महोदय।
Then additionally, I want to ask, because the Vyakarana Visheshaha in the Udaharane, see, Rati Shabdaha, Aparataha, Jataha, and Namsakalinga, it is so.
Bhavati voice is breaking.
Jataha, my voice is breaking, I don't know what to do.
Can't hear anything, Mahodaya.
Some problem.
No, Bhavatya voice is cutting.
Can you hear me, Shruti?
इदानीं श्रूयते, वदतु।
Okay, I don't know what to do.
It is breaking.
Okay, I think there is some problem with my laptop, so I have to go somewhere else. This is very hot here.
Okay, so अहोरात्रः अहं करोमि then. अहोरात्रः अहः च रात्रि हि च. So द्वन्द्वसमासः। अत्र रात्रि शब्द पुल्लिङ्गः जातः।
It's not Ekadeshi.
एकादशी. No,
Dvandva.
but it's ahah ratrah. So means
I think
aha
it
means
will be
din or ratri, like that.
Tatpurusha, no.
That's what I said. Pratama Tatpurusha, Ekadeshi.
Yeah.
No, but aha is not the part of the ratri. Katham ekadeshi? Aha means dinam. Dinam cha ratri cha. Aha is not the part of the ratri, right? aha पूर्वरात्रम् अस्ति चेत् एकदेशी प्रथमा तत्पुरुष. But atra ahah ratrah means aha means a din.
Ahan Shabdan, right?
Ahan is day. Ahan is day.
Right.
Ahaha ratraha. Ahoratraha.
Ahascha ratrascha.
That is what Mahodaya is
saying. Yeah.
Could be, that could be.
Aha means din, right?
Right.
Okay.
That is Dvanda.
Yeah, so samayah jatah. So
that is Dvandva, is it? Aho ratraha?
Dvandva.
Ahaha
Dina ratra. Ratri cha. So samasta pade is pullingam bhavati. Kintu vigraha vakye ratri shabda agachati.
No, it should be, then it should be dvivachanam, no? If it is dvandva, always dvivachanam, no?
Okay.
Because if it is putraha cha, putri cha.
Putraha pautraha cha.
Ramah cha Lakshmanah, Rama Lakshmanau.
Ram
It will
Lakshmana.
never be- it will not be in singular, no? Ekavachane na bhavati, ahoratraha. That ratraha, only tatpurusha, ratri becomes ratraha.
Ratra, right. Prathama Tatpurushe. It's bhavati.
But is it is it Ekadashi? No.
That is what even I was thinking. But if it is Ekadashi, Ardham Palasya, Ardha Palam.
Maybe that is Dinasya Ratra of the Ratri of the day.
Uttara पुस्तके द्वन्द्वः इति उत्तरं दीयते. द्वन्द्वः इति दीयते.
See, Bhanumohade Purvam Aha, Purvaha. So Aha means Dinasya Purva Bhagam. So wherever there is a Bhagam atra asti, then only it's
Ekadashi. Yes.
That
Ekadashi.
is correct. Uttaram to they are giving ahaha cha ratrihi cha.
Cha and then dvandha. Dvandha samasa eva diyate.
But why dvandva it should become
Why it is not Ratro?
Ratrau.
That's what
Ratrau.
Rajashri Mohodaya's question.
I think in the
No,
book,
I'm just telling you what is given there.
no, I think in the book, if we go through the Samasa book, we will find they would have given it somewhere. In Dvandva rules, they would have given.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dvandva Samase Pashyatu. Page number 12.
See, atra bahupada dvandha. Oh, bahupada. This is harihara. Oh, guravaha. Okay.
Sure, it is given in the rules somewhere.
For Ratri Shabda.
There are more exceptions than rule.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Dvandvaha, page 33. Also. So many places it is there.
26 also it's there, but nothing is given there. 26 mein kuch nahi.
The book is not organized well, I kind of.
Correct. It's very difficult to find it actually. Keep searching. See, in 2033 again they have given Dvandva, but this example not there.
Look under Ratri Shabda. Because the Ratri Shabda, there are so many things. But aham janami.
Putra, page number?
Putra.
That is not there, I saw.
What is the page number?
21. Sarva Ratri, Purva Ratri, Punya Ratri, Samahara, Atikranta, that nothing is there. You have to read this book thoroughly.
Samase Ratri Shabdah Yada Ukaranta Bhavati Tada Pullingam Bhavati.
Okay.
Ahan Sabdasyodaranam Ahoratra iti Ayam Dvandva Samasa. Page number 21, last sentence.
Very last one, yeah.
Very last one.
पञ्चमवाक्यम्.
So
You just have to take
Agarataha,
it the way it is, that's all.
it's an exception, right?
So अहं शब्दस्य उदाहरणम् अहोरात्र इति अयं द्वन्द्वसमासः.
अहः च
ये महोदय.
रात्रि च द्वयोः समाहारः वा?
No, no, no. अहोरात्र इति
Aham cha ratrascha.
अयं
No,
द्वन्द्वसमासः. समाहार न दीयते. Last sentence, page number 21.
Not.
You did not found?
I found it. I'm saying it is not saying whether it is. It is just ratri.
Only द्वन्द्व समास इति लिखते. Only द्वन्द्व समास.
See, in page 21, ahoratra. In our question, page 77.
कुत्र?
No. The visarga tatra iti, because it is iti, maybe the visarga lopa they have written.
Oh, okay. Understood.
Okay.
Oh,
So, but see, there are certain things it doesn't fit the rule. They call it what it is. You have to take it. That's all.
ahoratra.
See, because it is the language, you can't go back and question Panini or this language. This is the way it is.
No, even Panini would have written as it is. I must have found it and he wrote it.
Yeah, he
And
would have written.
Okay, स्थगयामः.
Aham Magadya.
Rajashri Mohoday, bhavati प्रार्थना शुक्लम्.
Rukku Mahodaya, we must
Okay.
tell
Yaksha.
that sentence you wrote in Signal, as deep as the language, so deep is our ignorance. Beautiful it is.
I am better in English than in Sanskrit, Mahodaya.
Very well said. Our ignorance is so deep.
Okay.
Language is deep. Our ignorance is very deep.
Rajashri Mohoday, bhavati प्रार्थना श्लोकं करोति वा?
अस्तु sorry.
एकः प्रश्नः, our previous question paper, may I ask you, do we have time? Or should I write it in that?
After प्रार्थना श्लोकं.
Signal. Huh? Okay.
No. After प्रार्थना श्लोकं, we are doing the question. Okay.
Oh, okay. Let me just give me.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ.
धन्यवाद राजश्री महोदय. Let me stop.
वदतु